qualification match number 2 here at the state championships in Mercer University in Macon, Georgia. We're in autonomous the first 20 seconds of the match, programmed by the human players. They've even programmed again some players on the outside to fire into the hub as well in the center of the field. It's 21-17 coming out of autonomous as they have a 10-second transition period between autonomous and teleop. It's 33-44 and 41-88. Dance neutral zone. 33-9 at the trench, pushing some fuel cells over into the Alliance zone for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance has a 25-second scoring advantage right now as a barrage comes from the Columbus Space Program from the corner of the Alliance playing field. They can only score when their hub is lit up. Each one of those fuel cells, those round objects out on the field that are yellow, those are known as fuel cells. In the center, they're trying to charge up their hub with as many of those fuel cells as they can, and if they can get to 240, they gain a charge ranking point. If they can make it all the way to 360, they will supercharge that hub and be ready for flight. It's 61-37 right now with 5 seconds left to go in the Blue Alliance scoring advantage. The Red Alliance will take over now as the human players, and 41-88 launch those fuel cells into that hub in the center of the field. They're 16 points behind the Blue Alliance, and they're catching up as they've reached 62. They need to get to 67 to catch up with that Blue Alliance. With 8 seconds left to go in this transition period. 5 more is all they need. There comes a barrage. Now they're tied with the Blue Alliance, but the Blue Alliance now has control of the scoring as they launch their own barrage from the outpost and from their bots. It's tied at 70-70, and now the Blue Alliance moved ahead with 2 more points, 3 more points, 4 more points, as they've got 9 seconds left in this transition period. At the end of this 5 seconds, both hubs will light up and both alliances will score, since the only time you can score is when your hub is lit, and there comes a barrage of fuel cells flying into the hub for the Red Alliance from 41-88, the Columbus Space Program, and Nemesis. 52-19 dances around in their alliance zone with their partner. As the Blue Alliance firing as well, the Red Alliance taking a commanding lead right now as it's 130-92 with 5 seconds left to go in qualification match number 2. As we come to the end of the match, we see the final fuel cells being recorded in the hub. We'll wait for the car to take off one more time to find out what the final score is and who is victorious. All right, here comes the results. And it is the Red Alliance victorious in that match with a score 148-98 as the Red Alliance picks up 3 ranking points for the victory. And please take a look at the gondola in the center of the field.